What's up, AP Bio peeps? Yes, it's another late day in the Willards household, trying to gather data, organize it, and make things awesome. So, let's talk about what we're going to do for the rest of the year for AP Bio. So, this is based on what you all told me in that form today, which was awesome. Thank you so much. So, here are the results for how you would like to spend your time. I had you click scale of 1 to 5, how much time you think we should spend. 1 being not very much time reviewing, mostly new stuff, and 5 being lots of time reviewing, hardly any new stuff. So as you can see, almost all of you, 19 out of the 23, I think, sure, 22. I don't math, it's late, come on. Anyway, most of you said you wanted to spend most of your time reviewing. Totally get it. That's fine. So let's talk about why you said what you did. So why did you choose that number? All right, let's talk about why. So I obviously copied and pasted this directly from Google Docs so you could read your own responses here. So we'll take a couple minutes and hit some highlights. So these are obviously saying, hey, we really do want to review a lot. Like to learn new stuff, awesome. The changes of the tests are concerning to you, totally get that. So we're going to review like the dickens on how to write an awesome FRQ. I've done it before for over 11 years. We've got you covered. Okay, talking about that a little bit. So more answers here. Answer at the bottom there. Yep. Part of me still really wants to learn new things, but love science and biology, right? So yes, you are definitely concerned about the test. Why else? Senioritis. Yep, get it. Want to be prepared for the test. New material is difficult virtually. Hey, I can only imagine. I know preparing that material is difficult virtually, so I can only imagine how difficult it is for you to learn it all virtually. Mind blown, right? Okay. New stuff is awesome. It's important to study for the test, right? Score well in the test. Yep, I got it. Okay, scoring well in the test. Ahead of the game, you are. We really just have to finish up your chi-square, talk about your fruit flies, which we can do after our review, tell you a little bit about how we're going to analyze those data, but really that's the chi-square lab. So that's the last thing in genetics, and then we're already ahead of the game. So bada boom, bada bing, right? Lots of review, yes. Maybe have break days once a week, like that suggestion. Very, very good. Need guidance moving forward. Cool beans. I'm attending some sessions so we can figure that out for you. Start reviewing, get a 5 on the test. Good, 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 good. Okay, so scores are definitely important to you all. And last but not least, it's okay if we learn stuff. Of course, it's not harmful, hopefully, right? But if we covered all we need, and we have, except for chi-square, start prepping for the exam. Bada boom, bada bing. We can become experts on the stuff we've already learned instead of learning new content. Great quote, love it. Okay, so yes, we're gonna go back and hit the main things. Done that many times. We'll do some reviews. We'll do a lot of interesting things. So, what else did you say? Yep, your other feedback and comments made a girl cry. So I'll let you just read that comment right there. Maybe kind of cringy for you to hear that I'm kissing your faces virtually, but you know what I'm talking about. So yes, teaching is the best job ever, 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 ever. You'll never convince me otherwise. Best career ever. Thanks to you. Thank you. All right, so where do we stand? What's going on here? We're going to finish the deep dig paper because it's good. I hope you are reading that document. It's really good. That is not busy work. I really spent time finding that and digging into it, sharing it with people, getting other feedback, and we're going to do Zoom conference on the paper, so you're not confused about that at all, but it's good stuff, all right? So we're going to work on that next week. No new work, okay? Starting from here, no new work except for the chi-square lab for next week. All right, so we're going to work on your deep dig paper. We're going to do your chi-square lab with your M&Ms that you have. And then I'm going to give you some things to prepare a little bit lightweight, right? So on Monday, I'll say, okay, if you have your review book, check this out, check this out, check this out. All right, watch this video. I'm going to map it all out for you. So if you just kind of plug and chug a little bit at the beginning next week, while we're still finishing up the deep dig and the chi-square, you'll be good to go. And I'm going to continue to breed those little suckers for you, and so we can do our fruit fly lab at the end. And I'm missing the bottom part here, so let me go. So week after next, right? So then we're going to really dig into the review week after next. I know it's coming up on Holy Week. We'll work around that. It'll be okay. I'll just give you some tools to work on. I'm working on an online fear factor review for us for the entire shebang, something we can all do together online. And then I also contacted the gal who took over for my AP Bio class in Cincinnati. She's amazing, and also the science department chair of the old high school that I taught at. She's amazing. Worked anyway. I'll let you meet Mrs. Dorsey later. But we've been collaborating and thinking about ways that our two classes could review for this together in some way, shape, or form. So maybe like a really cool Kahoot online where we're all logging in, maybe a big Zoom conference. Not sure, still working on that, but she is all about it. Okay, so no worries, got you covered. Thank you so much for the feedback. It really helps because I can't see your faces yet, except when we Zoom conference. So that's all I've got for you on this. Love you lots. We'll talk more about it later. Breathe. It's going to be all right. Love you.